guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Tripping and I'm back with another video. So listen, today I'm coming to you guys with this palette right here, and this is the Beauty For Real palette, the Golden Hour. Now I'm not even gonna front, like I ain't gonna even lie. When I seen we was getting this palette, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I don't know if I'm gonna like it for real. And then I looked up a couple of videos and I'm like, I was kind of fighting between this palette and that foundation, and I'm just like, let me go ahead and get this palette. And it is absolutely beautiful. When I did 3 swatches on the video, I was blew back. I was blew away, because I think I done got some, I'm sure I've gotten some products from Beauty For Real, but then again, I'm not sure because I just can't really remember right now. But anywho, these colors are absolutely beautiful. I don't know exactly what kind of eye I'm gonna do, but when I tell you these colors are freaking amazing. Let me take this watch off. Okay, you got that right there. These colors are amazing. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't even dip off into the matte colors. I might have, let me see. But it's beautiful. I am intrigued by, I'm intrigued. So freaking beautiful. And look at this blue. Look at that blue. And I'm gonna put that right there. I mean, look at, that was kind of sloppy, but I'm going in again. I mean, absolutely beautiful. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, we finna hop off into this palette. I'm not sure exactly what look I'm gonna create, but if you guys are interested in seeing me dig off into this palette and coming up with a look by Beauty For Real, then let's get on into it. I'm excited. Let's get into this palette. So let's go. Let's go. First, we're gonna go off into this shade right here. I'm not gonna put down a base. Next, I'm gonna go off into this color right here. Now I did get a little fallout on the face, but that's okay. It's not a whole lot, but well, it's enough, but it wasn't a whole lot. That is really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with this dark color right here and deepen the outer V right there. And take this pink color right here and go in the inner corners. I should have went in with a smaller brush. But it's really pretty. So let me throw my lashes on and then we're gonna come back and do the lash line. I'll be right back. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the burgundy shade, not the burgundy shade, this color right here. I'm gonna take this shade right here and this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go underneath. I'm gonna go and do the lash line. I should go with the smaller brush. I'm going with a brush like this. I'm tripping. I'm gonna go in with the dark shade, that dark brown that I used, and go in right with it. I like that palette, y'all. I'm gonna just add some mascara on the bottom lashes real quick, and then we done with this look. We just got a simple little look. So yeah, we got a simple little look. There was some kick up in the pan just a little bit, particularly like in these shimmer shades right here, but it wasn't bad. And I had a little fallout on the face. Y'all know I don't know my colors like that. I don't know the lingo with all the makeup, so all I can do is tell you what I like in my own words and my own opinion. But I love this. I think it blended really, really good. The shades blended good to me. The shades blended really good to me. The shimmer shades were absolutely stunning. They're stunning. And y'all know I wanted to do some with this blue, but you guys already know how I am. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. And it's loud, and I love it. That's going in a second time. It's beautiful. I'm loving that. I love this palette. I really, I underestimated this palette for sure. Like, I underestimated this palette for sure. But I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think you get a nice little neutral look, and then you got your little pop of blue in there if you want color, which you can make it work. I think it's pretty. And I use the pink shimmer shade right there to go in my corner right there. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's a nice little palette. I love this palette. I think it's a beautiful palette. I love it. And it's a look. It's a little cute little look. So I'm looking forward to seeing more palettes by Beauty For Real. The golden hour. I love that. I like it. This brown was really brown, like it was brown and soft. It blended really good. I love that. And these colors right here went on, it went on so pretty. I mean, it went on so good. That's the look. That is it for this video, you guys. Let me know, have you guys tried this palette? And let me know if you heard of Beauty For Real. I think I did. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I come across so many names when it comes to makeup. I just don't really remember. I know we got The Real Her. I don't know. That's what I'm getting confused with. The Real Her or Beauty For Real. I don't know. But let me know if you guys tried this palette. Let me know what you think about this look. I think it's cute. I think it turned out really good. And plus, I enjoyed it. Again, I don't know all the lingo when it comes to the makeup, y'all. I'm learning, so all I know is it blended well for me. It was a little bit of fallout, not a whole lot, and I loved it. So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think about this look, and let me know what I could have did better. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for chilling with me. Let me go take my medicine because I still got a little cold going on, but nevertheless, I'm coming to you guys with some I gotta come to y'all with the video. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you for coming to see me. So this is the Golden Hour by Beauty For Real. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below, and if not, you guys can go check it out on your own on their website. So I'm out. I think it turned out really, really cute, and that is it for this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me, okay? To me, and I will see you guys in my next video. I gotta go take some medicine. I'm ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.